Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are always notified whenever I upload a video. So today's video is about my top favorite 6 moisturizer under rupees 500. Finding the best moisturizer can be a task because I am quite picky. It has always been a struggle because there are so many out there in the market which are formulated with ingredients that I'm not a very big fan of, like lot of fragrance, lot of essential oil, lot of mineral oils, etc. I have tried my best to give you my best recommendations. However, before starting the video comes my disclaimer. Skincare products are very subjective. Every product or every ingredient reacts in a different manner on different skin. Please don't forget to do your patch test or do a detailed research before applying it on your face because our face is very important. Okay, we are done with the formalities. Now let's start the video. So I have 6 products today. 3 of them are Indian brands and 3 of them are non-Indian brands. When I say non-Indian brands, they are very much available in India. It's just that they are not owned by Indians. Now you must be wondering, why have I made this division? Well, recently a lot of people have become conscious buyers, as in they are trying and focusing to buy more home brands, which I think is absolutely great. So the first product in the non-Indian category is the Pond's Super Light Gel. Everyone is raving about this product. Let me first read what it claims. I am reading it from my phone. Super light gel type moisturizer that provides long lasting hydration. Infused with moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, it improves your skin's natural moisture holding capacity, makes it soft and bouncy. Non-oily formula keeps oiliness and stickiness at bay, keeping your skin fresh feeling. Suitable for all skin type and for all seasons. Pond's has always been known for its beautiful cream and moisturizer. I think back in the days, Pond's was one of the few brands which came out with very thick moisturizer. Pond's couldn't have gone wrong with this product. They are known for their quality and price points. This is a very basic packaging, nothing too fancy about the packaging because of the price point. This is super travel friendly and it's a very sturdy plasticky box. Now when you open it, let me show you the gel. It's a very beautiful whitish blue, bluish white, I don't know, whichever is correct. So the gel looks very beautiful. I will show it on my hand. This formula is so amazing. It's a gel consistency product. And this absorbs into the skin so beautifully. It is extremely light. When they say it's a light formula, they are 100% correct. This is a holy grail product for oily and combination skin type, but for we dry skin people, this works wonderfully during summer and monsoon time. It is during this time that my skin becomes combination more towards dry. So this product is going to work wonderfully till October, but it won't suffice once the peak winter sets in. And for Delhi winters, I started using this product in the month of March and will continue using it till October. I've used it under makeup, as a day cream, as a night cream. It is a wonderful product. Now moving on to our next product, which is Boots Vitamin E Moisture Day Cream. Now this product is not available everywhere in India. There are very few dealers who actually sells this product, but I cannot recommend anyone in particular. I always get my hands on this product whenever I am traveling out. I always stock it up. You can find Boots in most of the international departures in India, and if you are outside India, it is very easy to locate one. Boots is a pharmacy. This is a drugstore product. But what a beautiful cream it is. I am a professional makeup artist and I love to use this cream in particular on my clients, and everyone seems to just love it. Let's read out what this cream claims. It says it moisturizes up to 24 hours to keep skin smooth, soft and radiant. Contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, to help protect the skin against environmental damage. It is dermatologically tested. The price of this product is approximately 400 rupees and you get 50 grams of product. This product smells very mild. It smells beautiful and very mild. This is such a universal product, all skin type can use it. They have somehow got the formula just perfect. It is not very oily or creamy for oily skin type. Neither it is very light for a dry skin type. Whenever you get a chance next, don't forget to pick up this product and you can thank me later. The third product is my must recommendation. Before beginning to talk about the product, let me tell you guys that I have been using this since 2015 and what a beautiful product it is. I have recommended this product to so many people and not a single person has come back and said to me that this is a okayish product. Everyone has fallen head over heels in love with this product. This is Superdrug's Vitamin E Intense Moisture Cream. I started using Boots and Superdrug products back in 2015 when I was in UK for a brief period of time. Since then, I have been stocking up these two products like crazy. But I was so thrilled when Nykaa last year brought in Superdrug. It's a big shout out to all dry skin type. You guys have to try this product. This product retails for $4.95 and I'm super proud to say that it is available on Nykaa and you get 100 grams of product. Now let me read what the product claims. It says, Vitamin E Intense Moisture Cream with 24-hour moisturization has been specifically developed to help protect and nourish your skin, leaving it incredibly soft, smooth and radiant. Enriched with naturally sourced vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that will help to shield your skin against environmental damage and premature skin aging. This product is for normal to dry skin, but I would like to emphasize on dry skin here. I am a dry skin type and have always tend to reach out for this product in winters. There is not a single winter gone by after 2015 that I have not used this product. This cream has a lovely, beautiful fragrance. It is a proper cream. It is very hydrating and leaves your skin very soft and supple. This cream is wonderful for mature skin type. My mother tends to love this cream. This is my must moisturizing cream under makeup during winters. I don't use this cream now and will not until October, but after October all the creams and gels are set aside and this guy plays a very important role in my skincare. I use their facial oil, their makeup remover, their body butters. I have used all possible products in this range and every single product is just wonderful. I very highly recommend this cream for normal to dry skin type during winters, and if you are a super dry skin, then you can use it all year long. Now we move on to the Indian brand category. I feel so happy and so proud to see how skincare Indian brands have evolved these days. There are so many products out there in the market which are 100% better than any foreign brands and are also very affordable. Earlier, Indian skincare used to be very luxurious and very exotic, but these days all skincare brands have come up with the best quality and with a very reduced and affordable price so that everyone can enjoy their benefit. So the first product here is the Good Vibes Orange Gel. This is a very recent discovery. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about this product because I have done a detailed review of 8 Good Vibes product. I will leave the link somewhere on the screen. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. Now let me read what the product claims. It says orange is a wonderful ingredient full of vitamin C and antioxidants that protects the skin from free radical damage and helps in oil control. This is highly recommended for dry skin type. I am a dry skin type and I have used this product and I have fallen in love with this product. It is a wonderful product. This retails for 215 rupees and you get 100 grams. There's also a small variant. You can order that and see if you like this product or not. This brand in particular is so cost effective and so high quality that it is beyond imagination. If you have happened to see my review video of Good Vibes, this has made to my top 4 list in that video. Now quickly moving on to the next product. You have seen me using this so many times in my videos, which is Mamaearth Skin Plump Face Serum. This has hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil. This is such a wonderful serum. I started using this product a couple of months back and this is actually my second bottle. I saw so many reviews on social media about this product that I really wanted to use it and see how it is, and I absolutely fell in love with this product. This is a serum consistency and what a beautiful product. It absorbs into the skin so well. It smells amazing. At this time of the year, I love serums more than creams. This feels very light on the skin but beautifully hydrates the skin. This is paraben and silicone free, suits all skin type. It has hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil. It also fights signs of aging. What else do we need? I highly recommend this product for all skin type. Now we are moving on to the last product, which is again a Mamaearth product, and this is their aloe vera gel. I have also spoken about this product in my previous review of Mamaearth, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about this product. I will also leave the link somewhere on the screen. If you have not watched that video, you can go watch it out. I have given a detailed review about this product in that video. But very quickly, if I have to say, I absolutely love this aloe vera gel. I have used so many aloe vera gel, but I've never felt the way I felt for this product. This is completely transparent aloe vera gel. I hate aloe vera gels which has added color or added fragrance to it. I always love my gel to be transparent in color. This product claims to have no paraben, no silicone. This has no added color and suitable for all skin type. And there is one additional benefit of this product. You can use it as a hair product also, and I have actually tried using it. So what I do is, before I plan to wash my hair, I apply this gel all over my hair, on my scalp, and leave it for like an hour, and I go wash my hair. And I just love how it makes my hair so soft and so silky. I don't need to use any conditioner after I use this gel. I have used this gel for one of the DIY skincare video that I have shot. I will also link that somewhere on the screen. Please check it out. This is a absolute all-in-one product which takes care of your skin and hair both. This product, like any other Mamaearth product, is super affordable. You get 300 ml of product for 400 rupees, and it is always on discount. You can check it on Nykaa, you can check it on Purple. It is always on discount, so just check it out. So guys, I have given all my 6 recommendations for the best moisturizer under 500. These are the products that I have tried for months and for years. These are my best recommendations. Please try them out and do let me know how did you like them. So that's it for today's video. I'm going to see you super soon. Bye bye.